So hello guys, in my previous video I talked about how you can register company in Georgia country remotely without visiting the country, without coming to Georgia. And in this video I will talk about if you can open bank account remotely in Georgia still in 2021. The answer to this question in short is that opening bank account in Georgia remotely is too complicated. Actually, I have talked with the bank, like let's say top management, and they don't know the policies either. The policies are not transparent. Nobody can actually, even top managers cannot give you 100% warranty that your bank account will be opened. They have too many requirements also with EU regulations that they need to comply until they open bank account for a foreigner. And each and every case is evaluated separately, individually. They make these background checks, they have their own requirements that they need to meet, and just to avoid any complications, they tend to not open bank accounts remotely at all, even for the company that is established in Georgia. Even if you have absolutely valid power of attorney, they make lots of deals out of it. The worst thing is that, as I said, there is no clear guidelines, there is no clear checklist that you can tick, and if you tick all of them, then your bank account will be successfully opened, unfortunately. Okay, what if I travel to Georgia after the COVID pandemic is over? That's the next question that has been frequently asked. If you travel to Georgia and personally open bank account for your company or personally open bank account for yourself as an individual person, it's definitely easier. The bank accounts will most likely will be opened. Next question that I frequently asked, how much money can I transfer to my company account or to my personal account? Well, I can't tell you exact limit, but if you start transferring a lot of money, like let's say hundreds of thousands of dollars, then straight away after opening your bank account without having any records of activities in Georgia, you just open your bank account and the next day you receive from someone $100,000 or a lot of money, then your account will be suspended. And I'm sorry to admit that lots of accounts has been suspended during past year in Georgia. Let's start with the fact that in Georgia it was definitely very easy to open bank account remotely without visiting any nationality, any citizenship 3 or 4 years ago. Last 2 years it's become less easy, and it's more complicated. The reason behind is that banks, also the government, changed their direction. They did not change their direction. To be more precise, their intention with oversimplifying all this procedure was that you do your business in Georgia, you employ Georgian people, you deliver service to Georgians, and it turned out that most of the people were using Georgia for money laundering or illegal stuff, which Georgian government never wanted. So they take measures to avoid this kind of unfavorable circumstances. If the banks notice that you have legit business in Georgia, they like to see that you have Georgian employees, Georgian customers, Georgian vendors, then you most likely won't face any problems. The problems arises when you receive again lots of money from abroad. Now, I'm not saying that you can't have foreign customers for your Georgian company. Most of my clients do. They have foreign customers, foreign clients. But as I said, it's not about millions of dollars and hundreds of thousands of dollars in some extent. Another workaround about Georgian bank accounts being closed or not open is that once you register Georgian company, once you register a company in Georgia, you can easily claim the bank account abroad. Most of my clients, they have IT companies and they benefit from virtual zone free tax status for IT company, and then they open the TransferWise account. TransferWise is kind of online banking, which makes easier money transfers across the borders, conversion, everything, and they open bank account there and they successfully use it for depositing funds and withdrawing funds. Another workaround to this issue, to the issue that you can open bank account for your Georgian company, is that you can open bank account for your Georgian company abroad in some other country, in some Baltic countries or in some neighboring countries, any other country, not any other, sorry, but many countries. You can open bank account for your Georgian company, even maybe in your country where you are residing. Ask around in the banks. Maybe they will allow you to open bank account for your Georgian company. That's what the service that we provide, and some people benefit after they open company in Georgia. If they can't travel to Georgia, they use our service to open for them bank accounts abroad, or they go to their home country, home jurisdiction, or wherever they are and open bank account for their Georgian companies there. So that's the current situation regarding opening bank account in the Republic of Georgia. I answered the frequently asked questions. If you have any question, leave down in the comment. I will answer all of your questions, or I will make separate video about the most asked questions. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or like this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was beneficial or useful. Till next time.